Hello, another recipe for my family. So, ito yung lulutuin ko ngayon. So, pritong tilapia, but magiging siyang pesa because we want it to be um, healthy, no? At may sabaw para sa mga chikiting. So, bawang sibuyas at saka luya, and of course, the pechay. And so, then, magpakulo na tayo or magpainit tayo ng oil and then put the bawang. Siyempre, pag konting golden na, you can put the sibuyas. So, you can stir. And the luya. Luya. So, simple lang to. Konting patis. Tapos, paglagay mo ng patis, bigyan mo na siya ng tubig hanggang sa kumulo yung tubig. Wait lang. Napakasimple but healthy and affordable.
Bakit?
So, dito,
Aguli mo, na, yum.
200 pesos.
Ito na. Ito.
For this recipe. Family. So, we put water. And then, konting magic sarap. Oops. Namobo siya. But, you can put also some salt. Konting salt. And after nang kumulo yung sabaw, you can put your piniritong isda. At dahil luto na yung isda, madali lang siya. You can put the pechay. Yan. So, mamayang konti, may dadagdag pa ako para mas lalo siyang maging, yan, malunggay, yan pala, para mas lalo siyang maging healthy. That's it for our recipe for today for my family. It's a pesang isda for my family. God bless!